Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. So, we are continuing our conversation on what business owners should know regarding accounting. So, we're going to discuss budgeting. When we were getting married and planning for the whole celebration, I actually had a budget and very detailed budget. I was able to compare the locations, food vendors, every single thing. I had it, down to the T. And with budgeting, it can seem like a task that will just take so much time because you have to do some research. You have to go figure out how much things cost. You may have to do a Google search. You may have to call a couple vendors. However, a budget allows you to make good decisions. So when I created our budget for our wedding, I was actually able to save us money along with, telling vendors, okay, well, this vendor is offering this at this price and your price is this, or you're not offering this. And so with a budget, it's so much more than just numbers. It is a way for you to actually help manage your finances, but also help you save money. So, today I want to talk about common expenses that are not included in the budget. So, these are things that are usually missed while budgeting for small businesses. So, number one is budgeting per product or service. So, you may have heard me say this plenty of times. If you offer multiple products or services, you want to break out that income because you want to know how much each product or service is bringing in. So, definitely in your budget, break those things out. Number two is taxes. You want to budget for taxes. And I mean all types of taxes. So, this is where you need to talk to a tax professional and describe to them your business, what's going on personally, so they can tell you, okay, what taxes you need to be budgeting for and saving for. I mean, that's the sales tax, excise tax, self employment tax, all the taxes. So, you want to make sure you're budgeting for taxes. Number three is owner's pay. You want to budget for owner's pay. So, depending on your business structure, you may say, well, I'm not going to pay myself for a while, or I'm just going to do an owner's draw. Well, you still need to budget for that because that's taking money out of the cash account. So you want to make sure that you're budgeting for owner's pay. And I would mention that owner's pay is usually missed because if you're an LLC, it is not shown on the profit and loss statement. It is actually on the balance sheet. So that's where a lot of people focus their budgeting so much on the P&L. But when you are budgeting, you want to think about what is coming in and what's going out. So once again, what's coming in and what's going out. You want to, break those two out. Number four, you want to make sure you're budgeting for business insurance. So that's all types of insurance. So you want to make sure you're budgeting for that. Lastly, you want to budget for professional services. So that can be legal, that can be accounting, that can be marketing, that could be for a business coach. So definitely legal and accounting. You definitely want to put dollars in your budget for those type of services. So these are the type of expenses that are usually missed in the budgeting process. So now you know. So make sure you include these items in your budget. And you may say, well, how can I afford these things? Still put in a contingency plan. I always say, put in an extra, $200, $300, $500 and set that aside in case you do need to meet with the lawyer, in case you need to up your business insurance. So you want to make sure that these type of things are in your budget. So tip for today, if you have not created your budget for 2023, you know what? Take some time this month, get that completed. Once you have that budget completed for the full year, now monitor that budget against what's actually coming in. So don't just sit the budget aside, but actually take that budget, and as the actuals are coming in, the money's coming in, the money's going out, compared to the budget and see how things are going and make those tweaks within your business. So hopefully you find this information helpful. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and we will see you